turning your knowledge into a digital product that sells. If money matters to you, this is your door. Most people think they don't know enough to sell anything online. They look at others and think they are experts, they are different, but here's the truth. The things you already know how to do, the things that feels normal to you are exactly the things someone else is struggling to figure out. And the gap, that is where the money lives. Because your knowledge can be turned into a digital product that actually sells. Hello, I'm Rui and this is Monetize with Rui, and on this channel we'll talk about how to make money, how to invest smartly, and how to avoid financial mistakes. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to take what you already know and turn it into a digital product that people actually pay for. Not someday, but starting now. Now here's the mental block most people have. They think, I'm not an expert, I don't have a course, I don't have certificates, and those thoughts, they sound logical but they're not useful. You don't need to know everything. You just need to know something that helps someone move forward. That's enough. So by the end of the video, you're going to know how to identify what actually sells, how to package it into a simple product, where to sell it so people can find it, and how to make it attractive to buyers. No confusion, just clarity. The first thing to do here is identify what you already know. Let's start here because this is where everything begins. Ask yourself and be very honest. What do people usually ask me for help with? What have I figured out on my own? What problem have I personally solved? That's actually your starting point. That is your raw material. It could be something as simple as budgeting your money, studying more effectively, applying for jobs, planning content, starting freelancing. To you, it feels normal. To someone else, it's confusing. That difference, that is your opportunity. My dear, milk it. Is your opportunity. Second thing to note here is that turn that knowledge into a format. The third thing to note here is keep it simple. Now this is important. Don't overcomplicate it. You don't need 100 pages. You don't need to write a full textbook. 10 to 20 helpful pages is more than enough. Because people don't pay for length, they pay for clarity. If your product saves them time or removes confusion, it has value. It automatically has value. It must not be so big. The fourth point to note here is design and create using free tools. Now let's make it practical. How do you create it? Simple tools. Canva for design, Google Doc for writing, Google Sheet for structured content. That's all you need. Keep the layout clean, keep the text clear, focus on practical steps, not decoration. And now let's talk where to sell it. Now once it's ready, you need to put it where people can actually buy it. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, they handle everything. Payments, delivery, access, what have you. So you can focus on creating and sharing. Quick one. If this is helping you see your own knowledge differently, like you're starting to realize, wait, I actually know something valuable, go ahead, like the video, subscribe to Monetize with Rui, and comment knowledge below. Let's bring it all together. You don't need expertise, you need a problem you've already solved, a simple way to present it, a platform to sell it. That is the formula. And I don't like hearing I'm not an expert. You don't need to be. You just need to be one step ahead of someone else. I don't know what to write. Start with your experience. I don't have money. You don't need it. Everything you need to start is actually free. So here's the action step. Today, write down one thing you know well, turn it to a simple PDF, and upload it for sale. Don't wait, because clarity comes from action, not thinking. Let me leave you with this. Knowledge is more valuable than you think. You've already learned things, figured things out, solved problems, and instead of keeping that in your head, you can turn it into something useful and let it start paying you. And thank you for joining me on today's episode of Monetize with Rui. I hope you learned something new and valuable. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. Please, fine girl, fine boy, share this video. Someone needs it. Someone out there needs it. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to keep you updated on all my latest videos. And until next time, stay financially fabulous.